Deer Creek Audio, your trusted technical resource.
Experience your Bose 901s like never before with world-class precision-engineered 901 equalization and Class D amplification technologies from Deer Creek Audio. The EQ901 Platinum is a high-fidelity equalizer and preamplifier that maintains the music stream in the digital domain all the way through the 901 equalization process. Easily integrate all your favorite sources, including your turntable, streamer, computer, CD player, and phone. Additionally, you can enhance your system with a subwoofer using active crossovers. Hypex Class D amplification brings effortless power to the system, giving you an immersive audio experience rendered with captivating dynamic realism. This is the ultimate 901 experience, seamlessly blending classic design with cutting-edge technology. Learn more about the experience awaiting you at deercreekaudio.com.